Hi friends, welcome to your infotech channel. For more updates, please subscribe my channel. So in this video session, we will learn how to create collage effect in the Photoshop. Let me open this Photoshop and create a new file here. Go to this file, click on this new. So it will ask a pop-up window will be open in the screen. So in that we can select the custom, the preset, we can select the custom, provide width, provide height, set the resolution, set the color mode to the RGB, click on this OK. Once we can create the new file, the first thing we need to do here, we need to unlock this layer. Double click on this one, layer get unlocked. After that, I'll apply some color for this layer 0. See, to apply the color for this one, so here I'm selecting the foreground color. So I'm providing this blue color here. Now use Alt backspace in the keyboard to apply the foreground color for the layer. So I'm just click on this Alt backspace in the keyboard that the blue color will be applied for this layer 0. Next, I'll create one shapes here. So using this rectangular tool, I'll create shape. So just draw one shape there. Now draw the rectangular shape. For this rectangle, I'll change the color for this one. Double click on this layer, it will be selected. I'm making it white color here. And I'll make a duplicate for the shape one. To make the duplicate this one, you can right click on this one, make a duplicate layer. So you can also do this like, or else use the shortcut, hold the Alt button, select the new tool, hold Alt in the keyboard, drag the shape here. Now make a copy of this one. Now then you can select this shape, make it with black color, click on this OK. Now I can adjust this one towards the shape one here. Now use control transform to reduce the size for this one. Hold shift and Alt button in the keyboard and select any edge of the corner. Start reducing the size here. Now click on the center. I'll create one shape here. We created the shape one. Now I will import one image here. Go to your file, click on this place option, select this image, click on this place here. Now click on this enter to release the transform. And look at this image. So the image is having the smart object. We need to rasterize this smart object. Why? Because the smart object is not directly editable. For that purpose, we can rasterize this one. How we can rasterize this layer? Select this layer, right click on this one, and click on this rasterize. So it will make the rasterize here. Now, right click on this create clipping mask. Now I'll use this shape one copy. Select this one, I'll make it 2. Now I can adjust this one here. Now I need to duplicate this one. Now we can select all the layers, right click on this duplicate layer. If you click on this duplicate layer, it will ask for the duplicate and click on this OK. Now we created the duplicate here. Now select this shape, the shape one copy. Now you can drag this one, you can paste it there. Or you can adjust here towards the right side. Now similarly, we'll make one more copy. Select this one. Again, click on this one. Click on this duplicate layer. Now click on this OK. Now select this shape one copy. You can drag this one. Look at this. So like this, we can create collage effect in the